All right, guys, welcome back. So this is another video on client hunting, masterclass. So here you can see we have another method which is client hunting using a hidden website. So I will show you what is the website name, and I will also show you how you can eventually find lots of leads, without spending a lot of money. This is free of cost. This is a hidden website. Most people don't know about this, but let me show you what it is. So what you need is you need to come to the Google and you need to search truelocal.com.au. AU is referring, to the specific country which is like Australia. So what you need is you need to open this up. Here you can see this is a whole website. This is basically a web directory, right? So you can search your you can search your niche. Like if you're a graphic designer, you can search it. If you're a digital marketer, you can search it. Digital marketer. So from here you can also or you can also set things, digital marketing groups or agencies. I am just setting up the agencies because at the end of the day, you are like pitching to the agencies owners. And if you you're somebody who's like you want to pitch the uh individual freelancers, you can use LinkedIn for that. But if you're like you wanted to find B2B businesses, like business to business, so these are the businesses like agencies. What you need is you need to search based on your locations. Here you can see the whole Australia is covering North Australia, West Australia, and then every uh the whole location you can put out, and then see what type of results this will show you. Here you can see 63 results for digital marketing agencies near you. So here you can see these are the 63 agencies, right, which is a lot. So what you need is you need to come down and click on more info. Here you will get to see a lot of numbers. You can you can call them and put your offer out there. Said, hey there, I just saw your website and I just found something missing on your website, which is like which is which needs improvement, or which need, if we if we can help you with that area, you can also you can make a lot of money with that. So you can put your offer out there. But first what you need is you need to click on this, and then just show up these all numbers. So I'm just telling you, you need to do it yourself. These are a lot. I'm just doing it for just 10 of these leads. What you need is you need to again come to the here. Just copy all the things, copy all the data from here, and come to the chat GPT. And then what you need is you need to, where you can see this is a prompt. Organize this data into a structured lead table. Extract phone numbers, email addresses, your website URL, or any other in the table, separately for separately for each agency as a clean structured table. So I'm giving this the whole data to this AI tool, which is very well aware, ChatGPT. You can use another tool as well, DeepSeek or Gemini. Or however, what you need is you need to click on this. Let's see what type of information this table will this sorry this tool will organize, and then how this tool will help us in order to get phone numbers. And so this is actually showing us not available, and email address, website address are not available, because from here we haven't what to say, copy each and everything, right? View website, just click on view website. Here you can see you will get to see a lot of again the website address. Where is the website address? If you just go back, click on more info, view website. You can also, what you need is you can also get, separately uh, open each and every website, and then what you need is you need to get the number and then email address from, using this extension, which is email extractor. So scroll down. I guess they don't have email address. So this is also, big thing that these agencies are not do not have email address. You can also pitch and say them, that I can help you create your email addresses for your agency, because email address is the basic thing and they don't have it, which is a big thing. Again, come and more info. You can also, what you need is you need to copy this website address, and then what you need is you need to again come to this prompt and edit this prompt. Just you can also give this the website address. Let's see if this works, because it is more like of a manual work, right? Because we are not using any paid tools for this. Let's see again. This is a more kind of a manual work. What you need is you need to, here you can see, put each and every website link to this. Provide each website link to this chat GPT or any AI tool. And also you can create a list of these lead structures, leads, and then you can also pitch them with the number or with the email addresses. They don't have email address, but most of the agencies do have email addresses. And when you provide the website URL to this ChatGPT, it will eventually scrap the email address and show you the, as a clean sheet. Here you can see this is, so I just provided this one website, so that's where it gives me only one website data. So what you need is you need to again copy each and every website from this website, and then you need to go to ChatGPT and get each and everything, number, phone number, and email addresses, or any sort of thing that helps you in order to get the your pitch out there. So if you have any question, or do let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.